I'm so proud to be a part of a university that takes its role in bringing about racial reconciliation to heart. As a Christ-centered university, Samford is and can be a leader in our region, in our state, and across the country. Today, I am proud of Samford and our people, even as we look to the future and the opportunities we have to become a better version of Samford moving forward. This memorial serves many purposes. It's a mile marker of sorts. It reminds us of the journey that we've been on as a university, a journey that we have to reconcile and lament in some ways, but also the fortitude and the progress and the determination that we have to move the university forward and to be a real leader in racial reconciliation in our country.